What if I told you that one of the softest, moist, and delicious cake you can make and start with something as simple as a fresh apple? Let me show you how I made this fresh apple cake at home with just my blender. So first, I crack in 2 fresh eggs. This will help bind everything together while keeping the cake soft and fluffy. Next, I add in some melted butter, just enough to give our cake that rich and buttery flavor. Then I go in with some milk, some nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, some baking soda, some baking powder. I'll write down the measurement in the description. Then I go in with some sugar to bring it all together. Now I blend everything up. Yes, it's that easy. Everything goes right into the blender to make the process smooth, quick and mess free. Once it's all blended and smooth, I pour the mixture into a bowl. Once it's all blended and smooth, I pour the mixture into a bowl. Here's where the texture magic happens. I'm folding in some freshly shredded apple into the mixture. You can blend it with the butter if you prefer, but I love this little bite of apple in the cake. It adds color, fiber, and a subtle sweetness to the cake. Now I transfer the mixture into a foil paper as my baking dish. It's simple, no frills, and easy to clean up. So I'll pop this straight into the oven for at least 15 minutes. And here is the result. Here is what it looks like. You know it's done when the top is golden and your kitchen smells like warm cinnamon apples. Absolutely heavenly. Now just look at this beauty. This cake has a soft light brown color. That's thanks to the red apple we use. It's soft to the touch and when you slice it open, yes, you can see the moist and fluffy it is. Just imagine pairing this with a hot cup of coffee or tea. It's the kind of homemade goodness that fills your day with warmth. Whether it's for breakfast, brunch, or an after dinner treat, this cake is simple, healthy, and absolutely delicious. So there you have it. Homemade apple cake, made with love, made with apple, and made super easy. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out. And don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tasty homemade ideas like this. Remember this, good food doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes, all it takes is one apple. See you in the next video I'll be making. I hope you watch this video to the end. Thank you for watching. Bye.